Welcome to the session. This is your Dr. K. Padmaja presenting few of the important objective type questions related to the topic environment which appeared in the various competitive exams. Which of the following is true about bionomics? It means management of life. It is synonymous with ecology. It stresses on the value of natural systems which influence human systems. Options. Only one is true. Both 1 and 2 are true. 2 and 3 are true. Option D, 1, 2 and 3 are true. The correct answer for this question is only 2 and 3 statements are true about bionomics. Bionomics is a synonymous with ecology. Ecology is nothing but the study of the ecosystem. So this bionomics stresses on the value of natural systems which influence the human system. Next question. Fixation of nitrogen implies the liquefaction of nitrogen, the conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into useful compounds, conversion of nitrogen into amines, the solidification of nitrogen gas into the atmosphere. The correct answer for this question is option B, the conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into useful compounds. Usually this happens through a type of microorganisms which are present in the roots of various plants, which helps in conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into useful compounds which can be used by the plants. Next question. The cycling of elements in an ecosystem is called chemical cycle, biogeochemical cycle, geological cycle, geochemical cycle. So the correct answer for this question is option B, biogeochemical cycling. The cycling of the various elements in an ecosystem is called as biogeochemical cycling. Next question. The study of single species and the environment factors in its habitat is called gynecology, synecology, horticology, biology. The answer for this question is option C, horticology. The next question, the transitional zone between two distinct communities is known as ecotype, arcade, ecosphere, ecotone. The correct answer for this question is D, ecotone. The transitional zone which exists between two distinct communities is known as ecotone. Next question. Kyoto Protocol is related to A, climate change, B, animal slaughtering, C, drug abuse, D, human trafficking. The correct answer for this question is A, climate change. Next question, the word sustainable development received emphasis in Food and Agricultural Organization, World Health Organization, United Nations Organization, World Commission on Environment and Development. The correct answer for this question is option D, World Commission on Environment and Development. Next question. In the context of the environment, the term dirty dozen refers to A, 12 most harmful greenhouse gases, B, 12 ozone depleting substances, C, 12 persistent organic pollutants, D, 12 countries spoiling oceans. The correct answer for this question is option C, 12 persistent organic pollutants. Next question. The magazine Down to Earth is run by Center for Environment Concern, Center for Science and Environment, Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, Ministry of Environment and Forest. The correct answer for this question is Center for Science and Environment. Next question. Of the following ecosystems, which is the oldest of the all? A. Coral reefs. B. Mangroves. C. Tropical evergreen forests. D. Estuaries. The correct answer is coral reefs. These coral reefs are usually present in the various oceans. If you like the content which is presented, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.